Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by heating the waffle iron so batter cooks instantly. This prevents sticking. First, whisk dry ingredients together to evenly distribute cocoa and leavening. Then, in a separate bowl, beat the egg and mix milk and melted butter so fats emulsify. That helps texture. Once combined, fold wet into dry with gentle strokes to avoid overworking gluten, which keeps waffles tender. Make sure to leave small lumps rather than creating a dense batter. You now refine texture and flavor because final waffles depend on batter behavior. If it's too thick, add 2 tablespoon milk. If too thin, sift in 1 tablespoon flour. This balances cooking time and crumb. Once you add chips or vanilla, fold just until mixed so chips stay intact and aroma concentrates. Test 1 waffle to confirm browning and internal set. Then adjust the iron temperature or recipe ratios accordingly, because consistent results come from small, controlled tweaks. You finish by cooking each waffle until steam drops and edges crisp. That signals internal set. Once done, transfer to a wire rack to maintain crispness while you cook the rest. Avoiding stacking prevents trapped steam and soggy centers. If waffles are undercooked, raise the iron temperature or add 30-60 seconds per cycle. If they brown too quickly, lower heat and shorten time to prevent burning. Keep tasting and adjusting so you learn how your iron behaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.